Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change page size in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on top and click on these three dots. Now here, click on resize. Now, as you can see, there are different type of categories. Social media, printables, presentation. So let's go on social media first. Here, there are different types of resolutions for WhatsApp status, Instagram reel, Instagram post, Facebook video, TikTok video. You can select from here. Just select this. And after that, just click on resize this design and your design will be resized. Now, if you want a custom design, just click on custom size, write your width, height, select your units. And after that, just select this and click on resize this design. So for example, I want to resize my design for an Instagram post. So just, okay, I will go on social media, select Instagram post and just click on resize the design. This will take a few moments and click on resize the design. And that's it. As you can see, my design is resized in a 4:5 ratio. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.